We're arriving at Epcot any minute now. We're going to come around the corner and see Spaceship Earth. We're going right through Future World, making a beeline for Norway so that we can get in line for the Frozen ride, hoping that by doing that very first thing that the line won't be 2 hours long.
And to meet Anna and Elsa.
And
we're meeting Anna and Elsa.
Right.
It's a priority.
And to meet Anna and Elsa. But mostly for the ride, because that is probably right now the hottest ticket in all of Disney World. So hopefully we'll see you there. We have arrived at Norway, so we shall see how long the line is. It's looking good so far. So 30 minutes at the standby entrance because we could not get a fast pass. That is the best it's going to be all day. We are in. Look, look.
Wandering Oaken here.
Wandering
Happy summer snow day from me to you. Oh God.
One spot. That wasn't even 30 minutes.
No.
Watch that, everyone. Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's ice palace. Ben's going, I'm going, and it'll be so beautiful. See you there. Please. I'm in there very much like today. On our sail touches to do an unselfish act of true love and full.
My sister's magic light.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. For the first time in forever, we get to share this frozen fun. Yes, he does really know how to swim. He does get the warmest hugs. I'm not sure now. I think it's because he loves summertime so much that he's kind of zoomed up. Oh, you think so?
Whoa, look at her beautiful face.
And get your slippers.
Yeah.
Beautiful. You must use your ice polish to help me freeze over the volume. Tell me everyone can do ice skating instead of dancing. Do we need like a little spot for dancing? Maybe right here. I love when you do that on needles. Maybe we can make some together. That sounds like fun. Way better than Alright, 1, 2, 3.